In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Jotform account from scratch so you can start building and sharing online forms in just a few minutes. Whether you're brand new to Jotform or you've heard about it and just never set up an account, we'll go step by step together at a comfortable pace. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any modern browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top, type in jotform.com and press enter. This will take you to the Jotform homepage. Take a second to make sure the URL looks correct and that you're on the official Jotform site, just to avoid any lookalike pages. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option that says sign up for free. Jotform offers a free plan that's great for getting started, so you don't need a credit card or any payment details at this stage. Go ahead and click that sign up for free button. This will open the account creation window or page. Now you'll see a few different ways you can create your account. Jotform makes it really convenient by letting you sign up using accounts you might already have. You can choose to continue with Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or Apple. If you pick one of these, you'll be prompted to sign in to that existing account, and then Jotform will connect it for you. For example, if you choose to sign up with Google, a pop-up window may appear asking you to select your Google account and confirm that you want to use it with Jotform. The process is very similar with Microsoft, Facebook, or Apple. Just follow the on-screen prompts, review any permission messages, and confirm. This is usually the fastest way to get started because you don't have to remember another separate password for Jotform. If you prefer not to connect any external accounts, you can also sign up using just your email address. On the same sign-up screen, look for the option to enter your email manually. Click into the email field, type in the address you want to use with Jotform, and then click the Continue button. Make sure you enter an email you can access easily because you may be asked to verify it. After clicking Continue, Jotform might ask you to create a password and possibly confirm a few basic details about yourself or your organization. Just follow the prompts on screen. If you see a confirmation message about checking your inbox, open your email in a new tab or on your phone, find the message from Jotform and click the verification link if required. Once that's done, your new Jotform account is ready to use. You'll be taken into your Jotform dashboard where you can start creating your first form, explore templates, and customize things to fit your needs. From here on out, the next time you visit jotform.com, you'll just use the log in option instead of sign up. That's all it takes to create a Jotform account. Now you're set up and ready to build forms, collect responses, and organize your data online.